Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you know when
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a subscriber, hey, I'm Shalana, and as you all can tell from the title, we sticking with the fall theme of makeup, and we are getting into the sultry green makeup look today. So as you can see, it is for someone who wants a pop of color but don't want to be out there too much, right? Because you like to keep it neutral, but you want to do something different. This is what this look is giving. As you can see, it is dark, but it's bronze, and a very soft color for the yellowish part there. It's everything. It's everything that it needs to be. Don't mind me watching in my mirror here. I'm looking at myself so I can see what you all see. Right? How it is, I got this makeup look. Just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me, Ashalana Aesthetic, on both Instagram and on TikTok. And guys, I do post short form videos as well on here, YouTube. And yeah, guys, let's get into this. First thing that we're gonna do is do these eyebrows, and you all know the deal. We don't do eyebrows on camera, not all the time at least. So you all have a fair idea how to do the eyebrows. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll be guys. So eyebrows are completed, and I did one side of the eye for reference. So now that we have done that, let's get into the step by step of how we got this eyeshadow look. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, right? Pretty much there, but subtle. So the first thing that we need to do is to prep the eyes. I have a concealer brush here. I'm going in with my eyeshadow primer. This one is white. Swipe that all over the eyelids. Going in with a eyeshadow brush to just blend the edges of that out, so it will not be harsh. We don't want to over blend because we want to leave the product on the eye. We don't want to buff it out too much, but we also want it to be even. Going in with the first color, and the first color would be, I'll be going on the outer corner. You can use any eyeshadow palette that may have these colors in them. Currently, I use 3 eyeshadow palettes to get this look. It's all up to you. If you have an eyeshadow palette that has all the colors, that will be great. Right? You don't have any specific palette as far as I'm concerned, as long as you have the colors. Right, so you put that onto the eye and you try to pack it on as much as possible. Even if it looks a little messy right now, that's okay. It will get cleaned up. It will get cleaned up along with the process. The next color that we're going in is with a lighter green. Even the eye is a much lighter than the darker one. So we're putting that to the middle. Are you packing that in? While you do that, you also try blending it with the color before. Blend is pretty much there already, but I'm just going to reinforce that darker green. Right, so it won't get lost. And then go again with the lighter green right there. Next, we are going in with this. It looks like a green, but it's more a yellowy. It has a lot more yellow pigments in there, right? So this is the color that we're going for. And so now I'm going on the inner corner with that green or yellowish green. As you can see, it has a little more yellow in this pigment. Remember, this look is meant to be subtle yet bold, in a sense that it's bold But for those who don't really like to be too outside, if you will, right? That's it for the greens. Yeah, that's it for the greens. See, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. We are going in with a type of copper brown. So not very copper, but this is the brown that we're going in with. We're going in on the outer corner and just blend in what? Right? And you can always go back and do your reinforcements of your colors so they will not get lost as you go along. So we are going in with a darker color, more true brown than the other. This one more chocolate, and we are going on the inner and just blend and join that in. Your blend is important, so you go back with the copper, not to get it lost in there. Same way. Don't mind me touching up the other side, but you don't want it to get. You don't want your copper color, that's the outer color, to be lost inside of that, right? And lastly, the last color to this will be a color that is close to your this band on top there. So if you have a nude or trans, or even you can even use like translucent powder to like it's going to set on top there, but you actually blending as well. And to blend any harsh lines, but you're trying not to carry this, you're trying to keep that strip of lighter color on top there. I'd say you use a lighter color, but you blend the lines, you blend your hash lines. Yeah, so this is the final look for this green look here. Let me know what you all think down in the comments. Do you all like it? Do you see the vision that I was giving? Right? Where you have some color, it's bold, right? But that's for the girls who don't really like bold colors. But you still want to do something, you want to switch it up and so forth. So, yeah, guys, let me know what you all think about it. Tell me. Tell in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me, Ashalana Aesthetic, on both Instagram and on TikTok. And I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.